Boy, I thought I never would have thought in a million years we'd be back here again. Here's the ET parking lot. City Walks looks fairly sort of empty. But, you know, right now we're at Jurassic Parking. Definitely a good spot to be. So you gotta go that way in order to go through this way to enter on it that way. First thing I hear in the background, copyright music. Yay! Huh? Oh yeah, they're still doing temperature checks. I'm here next. That's crazy. Jurassic Park. I likes that. Next to Jurassic parking. Oh yeah. The good old days. Well, yeah.
We never got to eat there.
I know, right? Especially when they're supposed to open up.
There's one place we call it
What's that?
here.
I know, right? Hopefully they'll do outdoor dining. No alcohol is allowed. Wow. Hey, they got the water fountain thrown.
Yeah. They did the last time.
Bubba Gump.
So we go this way.
That way. Yeah. I know, right? There's that Mexican restaurant that we never got to. Oh yeah, I could do outdoor dining too. That's neat. What's it called? Oh, that's cool. Wow. And John What? How do you pronounce that? that name right there. Antijitos? Something like that? Wow. Oh look, there's that one store. You can get your donuts. Oh, by the way, before I get started with this, guys, can you please, I can't say it enough, hit that subscribe button. That'll also help keep you in the loop on what we're doing here. By the way, parking's still free, just to let you all know. And there's that new Central store over there. I think they're open. That's the one right there, babe. Ooh, right here. We're gonna go check it out and see what they got. Nah, they're closed. That's funny. They got all kinds of cool stuff in there. Dang it. Oh, store hours. Okay. They're only open on the weekends. That's weird. Huh. Yeah. That just gives us an excuse to go back. Is this store closed too? What? I guess they're starting to bring all the. Yeah.
It's Friday or Sunday.
Same thing.
They open at 12. What time is
It's 1 o'clock.
it? Huh?
It's only Friday and Sunday, or the weekends. So here's the newest thing. We do have outdoor dining right here as well. If you want to eat. Here's Hot Topic. Are these stores oh, no, it's open. Wow, at least one store is open. By far. Well, I guess we'll go see what they got. At least there's no line. Like the last time. Oh my god, they still got the shirts and the license plate. Wow. Oh look, son. There's you one right here.
Oh, yeah.
That'll be perfect for you. Oh. Yo, they got flags. They got flags. Dude. Huh. They got flags.
I don't see any.
Look.
Yeah, we've seen that one.
No, these are new. Wow. Oh, look at this.
I don't see any.
I like the ornaments. Yeah, look at this. Hey, $10? Dude. Ah, for real? They got Back to the Future to ride. And Slash the movie, which is pretty cool. And the E.T. ride. Neat. Hey, for $10, that's a steal. Look at these cool denim jackets. 75 bucks. Why am I looking focusing? 75 bucks. That's not bad. I like it. I like it. Old school, man. Ooh. That's new. Universal socks. What phone is acting weird? Universal backpacks? Dude. If the theme parks were open, I'll be rocking that right now. What else they got? Okay, that is cool. Check out the pins, guys. Wow. Same mugs are over there. Ooh. Even hats. Hand sanitizers. Oh, they're ready. Wow. They are ready. This trophies never get old. There's the mask. Ooh, I like that one. How much is that? $8? That ain't bad. I like that. I'll totally be rocking that. It's too bad they don't have the shirts like that too. Last time we took DeLorean here, he was crying so much where we couldn't be able to take him. So we just left early, which is fine. I mean, they moved all their Back to the Future stuff in that store over there that we passed by recently. Here's the Hogwarts Store. Ooh, no one's in here. Except for a few. The theme park needs to hurry up and open. Like you could buy your wands here still. 10% off. This is $10 off. Huh. Neat. More Jurassic Park stuff. Ooh. That's neat. Even though it's Hello Kitty. I like that sweater right there. More dino eggs. And okay, seriously? That is neat. Wish they had the sweater just like that, but they don't. Oh yeah. And some more Minion stuff over here. That's about it, really. Anywho, E.T. I like that. Plenty of umbrellas. There's a Jurassic Park Jeep. Wow. Look at that diorama. No Back to the Future stuff. Because they're all over there in that store. How you doing, sport? Surprised you're hanging in there. Oh, what happened to all the cool liners they used to have when we were here
They get rid of
the
them.
last time?
Oh,
Wow.
this is the Jurassic Park one.
Oh, never mind. I still got them.
Right?
Yeah. Wonder how much they're selling. Hard to say.
It doesn't say.
They never say. Ooh. I like how you could just. Why didn't they have these the last time? You could stick your pass in that. That makes more sense, though. Doing it that way. Alright. Oh, yeah, I've seen those too. Oh, really? Oh, there's one right there.
I'm talking about these.
Oh, yeah, those things. I missed our home park. It needs to hurry up and open. I have a feeling hopefully everything gets situated. Things will be fine. Look, they got the social distancing markers on the floor. You know? Remember the last time we brought you here, son? Still got stolen. I can't believe that.
That's when he was like, what, 3 months old?
Yeah, seriously. I know it. I hope karma gets to her. Unreal. I miss Universal. I miss the Simpsons ride. I miss Jurassic World. I miss everything about this place. This was our first home park ever. Look at that. It's like completely. They got the music going during the weekday, I reckon. Dang, man. That's crazy.
You want to touch the case?
I already did.
Yeah.
It's awesome to see this place, though. Look, you can hear the music. That is wild. You can still hear the music in there. But yeah, I mean, they're prepared. It's just when, you know. I mean, all this crazy stuff that's going on. Look at Buena Vista Street, guys, for example. They're open. Why can't they just open up this place so more and more people can come through?
That's what they're trying to prevent.
Like less people, you know, at least. So that way they'll have a safe, limited capacity. You know, I think so. Yeah. I remember the first time you used to enjoy this place, pal. Nobody's at the ticket booths. It's like a ghost town. It's like the only ones that are here are the former employees. Now about the annual passes, I don't know how that's gonna work. I don't know if they're gonna refund everybody their annual passes or they're gonna do it the same way Disney.
They'll probably upgrade.
They're gonna have Disney's doing the same thing. Look at this, social distancing markers on the floor. They're ready. You gotta know when we're ready. Temporary close. The sign down there, the big sign says opening up soon. Yeah, that's the sign right there.
Yeah.
There's two windows. Now look at this. They still have Halloween Horror Nights going on for the maze back there. You can still see it. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow. still back there. That's crazy. Well, anyways, you can kind of get a glance of Water World back there. All the bathrooms are locked up over here. See, look at that. You can kind of get a better glance, better view. If I zoom in a little bit. Halloween Horror Nights stuff is still there. It's crazy. So hopefully there's a sign we can still see Halloween Horror Nights this year. At a safe. I mean, look at Orlando, guys. Universal Orlando is killing it right now. Huh, yeah. That's funny. You can see the Minions thing back there. Dude. Oh, Waterworld. We miss you. More than ever. Look at that.
And during their visit, you must practice physical distancing and keep at least 6 feet or 2 meters between your travel party and others. Remember to wash your hands with soap and water often for at least 20 seconds. We appreciate your cooperation during this unprecedented time. Thanks again, and welcome to the Universal City Walk Holiday.
They really turn off the fountain. Well, today's Tuesday, so they only opened up all the stores here, most of them on the weekends only, which it is what it is, but yeah. So, alright. Last time we showed you this, you were crying.
Give me the socks out of the bag.
Alright.
This is where he's gonna start walking here in a minute.
Oh.
Come on. Where are we? Better quit. It's gonna come up and get you. Really? He's interested in that.
Look over here. Come on.
Son, look at. Come here. There you go.
job, buddy. You're not scared like the last time. No. What?
Ready?
Huh?
Can I go eat some chips yet?
Yeah. Hello guys, there's King Kong up there once again. Next to this sugar place that's been recently opened back up again.
Come on.
There's Bubba Gump. Get the whole fam. Come on, champ. Yeah.
No, this way.
Yeah. Look at him. He's having a blast. There's the glorified Kong over there. Well, still no update on this place yet. I'm not sure when they're gonna do anything towards this place. It's already happening in Florida. It's a chocolate place. It definitely looks pretty good though versus Hard Rock Cafe. I don't even know why they took away Hard Rock Cafe to begin with. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna be once it's done. Touchy. Boy. There's another baby down there too.
Here.
So all the stores here are still closed. You have to come here during a weekend instead of a weekday, but it is what it is, fortunately.
You see that big TV in there?
Don't worry, they clean these tables all the time.
No. No. Goodbye bye.
Right now we're feeding little man. It's alright, so I'm gonna go a little bit later down to Super Nintendo World, see what's going on down there, just film some stuff.
Where?
It's downhill.
What?
Yeah, we gotta... Alright, you guys, as promised, construction is at full swing right now. And everything is looking really, really good, like indefinitely. Nintendo Land is... that's Super Nintendo Land right there. It looks pretty small compared to our Japan's version, which is crazy. See all the construction going on over there. They got more land than ever, and they're working on some more stuff down there too. Yep. Oh, you got a better view over here. Nice. That is so cool. I wonder what it is they're doing down there. I mean, there's a lot more. See, there's more stuff down there. A whole new land that just opened up.
Right there?
Yep.
And
I'll,
up there.
probably for Super Nintendo, maybe? I don't know. Oh, look, you can see the walls. How cool. And there's Transformers, the ride right next to it. Dang. That's a good view. See that machine right there? We gotta listen to that machine down a hill every now and then. Which they gotta do what they gotta do. That's fine. But still. Yeah. There's Jurassic World. I can't wait till that opens. I've seen drone footage where there's a gyrosphere in there. They literally put a gyrosphere in there. That's crazy. Wow. Alright, one last look. Can't wait. I gave it about another year or two. Because they still got a long way to go. Because there's the back part right there where the tram goes. Where we go around. They're still working on that. You can see a little bits, can you? A little bits of the track. Oh yeah, they're still working on the track too. Wow. That is neat. Oh, they're putting something there. I heard what it's called, but I forgot the name. Alright, gang. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Definitely for sure. Click on that notification bell. It'll keep you guys up in the loop and the up and up to know what's happening here in our neck of the woods. Of course, the theme park is still closed till farther sadly noticed. Yeah, crazy stuff. And they got the walls up. There used to never be walls there. All these other videos I've seen. By far, this is just my speculation. Well, there you have it, guys. Construction update 101. There you go. Confirmed. They're still working on everything. I would rather just have them be done with the whole, instead of listening to that noise. Can you imagine being on Jurassic World, babe? Listening to that? Instead of the dinosaur, all you hear that, there's the dinosaur. And you go on Transformers and that's all you hear. It's like, oh. And then you go on to the Mario Kart ride and that's all you hear. Bangy, bangy, bangy. I've seen those VR goggles. Dang. They look so cool. Japan is awesome, man. Look at the weather today. It's beautiful. Versus yesterday it was... Wow, yeah. I wish I would have got footage or should have filmed that though. Dang. But it's seriously, it feels like you're right inside, but there's nothing going on. It's just abandoned for now. But everything is all prepped. The building is perfect. It looks amazing. Alright guys, we'll be back on Friday. We're going to get some butterbeer. We haven't got time to do it today because everything is closed on a Tuesday. So if you prefer to go on the weekends, I highly recommend that you should go on the weekends. I think it's only for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, this is the time they open. I'm thirsty right now. I'm lost for words right now. This is crazy. This is crazy. I see why everything is at a halt, because there you go, you know. Look at that. It's gonna go down. It's gonna make some banging noise. I guess that's the tractor's new backup sound. Huh. Alright, so if you want a good point of view, I highly recommend the Sheraton Hotel. I missed it. Darn it. And go up this corner, and there you go. Now we gotta walk down all the way to meet our family. So, yay! Oh god! Oh, it's a drill. That's what that thing is. Ah, to get farther down into the ground. I see you over there, Minion. I know. Imagine riding the Minions ride, you'd be hearing pow, pow, pow. Dang. Alright, see you guys. Oh, I found a money shot. Look at that. You can see Jurassic World and everything. Look at all that land they got back there. Wow. Dude, imagine they flatten all that out. They could make more land if they wanted to. That is crazy. Bonus footage. That is so awesome. Alright.